PCL strap kit can be added to increase the support for the posterior cruciate ligament. The PCL strap kit can only be added to braces with field serviceable D-rings. The PCL strap attaches to the brace using the D-ring holes for strap 3, which is the strap just above the knee. Remove strap 3 from the brace and set it aside. Use a size 1 Phillips head screwdriver to undo the screws from both D-rings. Remove D-rings and post 3 from the brace. Select the larger D-ring with the square hole. Place the female post into the recessed portion of the D-ring. Place the D-ring on the outside of the frame. Select the PCL strap D-ring. Place the male post into the PCL D-ring. Slide the PCL D-ring male post into the female post from the inside of the frame. Reinsert the central screw and fasten, making sure not to over-tighten. Repeat all steps on the opposite side. Select the PCL strap. Remove the thigh pad and thread the strap through the PCL D-rings. Make sure that the hook and loop on both the alligator tab and the pull tab are facing up. Turn the brace over and install the thigh pad. Reinstall strap number 3 by threading it through the outside D-ring and attaching the alligator tab back to the strap. Remove the calf strap pad on strap number 1. Attach the PCL plate to strap 1 and strap 2. Apply the brace. Reposition the PCL plate if needed. Tighten the PCL strap with the leg in full extension so that the strap and pad are comfortably snug. The pad should be centered within the frame. If the PCL strap is too long, trim the strap on the alligator tab side. Replace the alligator tab and fasten. Make sure that the alligator tab is under the pull tab. Reposition the PCL plate if needed.